Hello everyone, so this is just a quick emergency video on my two trade updates on hook and DYDX. Both are executed. So this is hook's chart, daily time frame. I entered over here at 1.1716 and my target is this main resistance zone 0.3551 all the way to 1.3854. so this is my take profit right here, and my stop loss will be right here 1.1147. This is my DYDX trade. We entered over here at 3.170 and my take profit will be all the way up of this falling wedge right here, or this recent high at this important resistance zone, which is ranging from 4.358 to all the way up to 4.54. so this will be my take profit right here. I'm having some internet issues. Stop loss will be near under this support zone right here at 2.937. so this is just an emergency video. I will be sharing all my levels in this and my trade update as well. See you guys in the next video.